Welcome to part 5 of the video series on human resource management. In the earlier parts, we had discussed what exactly is the definition of human resource management, how human resource management is defining or changing the landscape of work, how if a particular company is implementing human resources in a proper way, they can achieve tremendous amount of growth in a very short span of time. And we have also seen how HR has evolved as a function over these years. What are the roles and responsibilities of an HR manager? We have discussed all of that in the earlier videos. In this video, we'll be trying to find out what the future holds for HR as a function. In a debatable interview, in a debatable speech, Vineet Nair, the head of HCL, has this to say about HR. HR will be dead by 2020. He talks this because of the changing nature of the worker, because of the changing nature of work in itself. In today's date, where you go to work does not matter. Which office you go to work does not matter. You can work from anywhere. You can work from home. You can be sitting in India and you can be working for a company which is in US. So a lot of things are changing. Technology is taking over, and everything which was basically operational earlier is now being taken over by the technology. Most of the administrative function, we had talked earlier that HR was majorly an administrative function. As a personal manager, the HR manager used to only do the administrative job of crediting salaries, of ensuring that the attendance is taken care of ensuring that the leaves are properly taken. So these were the jobs that the HR manager was doing earlier. Now all of these jobs are now being taken over by technology. Artificial intelligence has come into, augmented reality has come into picture. There are various bots which can do a lot of your job. They can do the number crunching for you. They can do the entire statistical analysis. They can do the entire performance appraisal of an employee from 360 degrees, from various angles. So because of technology, because of changing nature of work, because of changing nature of the employees, the value system, the cultures, because of the changing of all these components, the nature of HR is changing. And if the HR people do not understand this, if the HR is not getting ready for these kind of problems that are going to erupt, HR will be dead by 2020 is what Vineet Nair says. Now if you find out what is the new generation worker do, they are more demanding in nature. The present workers are more demanding. They demand more from people. They are expecting a higher salary even at a low experience. They know their rights and privileges. They know the law book. They have access to Google, and they have access to various resources from there where they can understand what is right for them, what is wrong for them, what are their privileges, and they will fight for it. Various consumer forums, they will go and post about your particular company if you are doing something ethically, morally, or anything which is wrong for them. Now we have also a trend where increasing number of women are coming into the business paradigm. Increasing number of women are joining businesses, organizations. Even that is changing. That is changing the nature of nuclear families at home. Now you do not have women who cooks for you and you take your tiffin and go to office. Even they have to go to work, and because of that the entire culture of the country is changing, and that also has to be accounted for. You have to ensure that the next generation workers also have to, they are no more longer willing to work for a particular company. They're not just working for money anymore. Most of the workers you'll find want to work for a cause, and Google highlights this very nicely. Google, the people work for a cause. They want to make the world a better place, and that is why they go to work. They are not just working for money or for any particular organization. Today's workers are also globetrotters. So HR manager, as an HR manager, if you want to become an HR manager, you have to keep all these things in mind. How the new generation worker is changing. They are becoming globetrotters. They are job hopping. No particular worker in today's date stays in a job for 5 years, 10 years. They will move jobs in 1 or 2 years. They will ask for a salary hike. They will not be having great amount of experience. They will not be having great amount of content with them, but yet they will be highly demanding. They will be job hopping, moving from one job to another, and they are highly individualistic in nature. Today's generation is highly individualistic. They want their car, they want their flat, they want their music system, and they want it all quick. They do not want a provident fund kind of a scheme which saves their money, their own salary for a later time. They want everything today in terms of the gross income that they are earning, in terms of the net income that they are earning. They do not want gross income, they want net income right now is what they are living. They are living a very individualistic life. And as an HR manager, you have to understand and you have to be prepared for these kind of jobs. Now, today nobody wants to be enthused, nobody wants to be encouraged. These workers do not want to be enthused or encouraged. You cannot be telling them go and do this, because they are already knowing most of the things. They are well educated, they are well qualified. Most of the workers are graduates, most of the workers are even overqualified for most of the positions that they are working for, because degrees are available in plenty in the outside market and in the education sector. And so nobody wants to be treated like a child. You cannot spoon feed them. Earlier the HR managers used to spoon feed workers. Now that is not possible. As an HR manager, you have to understand this is not possible. And also, on an overall, if you look at it, there is a talent crunch. Today we are not having good amount of workers for the jobs that are opening up. The skills are getting outdated. Today a particular worker has skill A. By the next year, that skill A would no longer be required. The nature of work, because of the technology change, because of the nature of changing work, things are changing at a very fast pace, and therefore there is still a talent crunch in spite of all the training and development that is happening. In spite of all the education and in spite of all the degrees, there is a talent crunch inside the particular organization. And as a good HR manager, as a manager, if you're interested to become an HR manager, you have to keep all these things in mind. And you have to, keeping all these things in mind, you have to ensure that your company achieves its goals in the rightful way, in the proper way, in the shortest possible way, and only then you will become an HR manager in a very good sense. I know it's very tough, but definitely it is rewarding to become an HR manager. And to conclude this particular presentation, this is what I could collect from the internet. This is Richard Branson. He says your employees are your company's real advantage, real competitive advantage. They are the ones which can differentiate you from your competition. I have talked earlier about Google. If you subtract the employees from Google, if there is no employee at Google, or change the employees of Google with some other company's employees, then Google will be reduced to nothing. So your employees are your company's real competitive advantage. They are the ones making the magic happen. They are the ones who are creating the magic. They are the ones who are ensuring your production targets are met, your profits are met, your bottom line is getting met, and therefore they are the ones who are making the magic happen so long as their needs are being met. So you have to ensure as a HR manager, you have to ensure as a corporation, you have to ensure, if you want to become bigger in life, you have to ensure that your employees are well taken care of. It was a pleasure interacting with you. It was a pleasure discussing all these topics on human resource management with you. Thank you so much. This is Amit Kumar Mehta signing off. Thank you so much. Keep on watching the playlist section. We have amazing content available on various topics of management. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, and comment with your feedback and suggestions. Thank you so much.